Hey everyone, I'm Jose Martinez, and today I want to share with you a couple of things that we do different that separates us from the competition when we get a property listing ready to go on the market. For example, this is what the property looks like when the seller moves out. As you can see, there's a lot of normal wear and tear just from living in the property, like dirty light fixtures, stains on the walls, holes from a TV, and dirty moldings. One of the things that we like to do for our clients is to make the process as smooth and as easy as possible. So one of the things that we did was brought in our own cleaning crew to clean up the place, is we got our own contractors to give these walls a fresh coat of paint, and we own our very own staging company, and they did the rest. Take a look at the difference. These are just some of the things that we do different. If you want to maximize the value of your home, give me a call.